Alright guys, I'm gonna be so determined to beat these Piranha Plants if it's the last thing I do. And I will repeat, this will probably be the last thing I do. Just kidding. I'm gonna probably be playing a lot more Paper Mario 64. But I'm gonna beat these guys if it's the last thing I do. That's for sure. Alright guys. Alright, sorry about that guys. But in any case, so let's go ahead and use Power Bomb. Ouch! Ha! You missed! Ha! You missed! Ouch! That hurt. So we're going to use Star Storm. Come on, what's this guy's name? I think it's Skyward, right? Yeah, Skyward. But yeah! We beat these guys in their own game. I am the champion, my friend. Then I am the champion, my friend. So in case, hey me bros, Chris Gary here, and welcome back to some more Paper Mario 64. In the last video, we got a game over screen concerning that the first time we tried to beat these Piranha Plants, they were pretty tough, so, and also I forgot to heal, so it's my own fault for not realizing. So, yeah. So, in any case, so anyways, how you guys doing? I'm doing alright. So we're gonna go up, 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 up. Please, Mario, jump. Jump like you never before. And we're gonna say on Sushi, considering that this story is still probably based off her, so yeah. So now we're gonna visit and talk to Raphael the Raven.
Oh, welcome back. Sorry, I'm so surprised, but I can't even remember the last time someone came up here. It's sure been a while. What? Oh yes, affirmative. I'm the master of this island, call sign, Raphael the Raven. If you have any problems at all, just let me know, okay? Go ahead, out with it. Oh, so you're Mario. I see. Roger that. You can't find a way to reach the volcano? Is that it? Yeah, that ain't a problem. Not for me, though. I'll help. To be honest with you, I knew you'd ask something like that. I got a message from the stars, so I knew you were coming. I've got something special to give you that will help you on your way. But that's for later. Right now, let's take care of the volcano problem, okay?
Caw! Caw! Cool. He's so cute.
Caw! 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 It's a response time, Ravens. We got work to do. I'll read to you only once, so I want your full attention. And it must be done just as quickly as possible. Got it? I should hope so. Let's move on, Ravens. Follow me.
Whoa! That guy's huge! Bro! You can make a giant-sized chicken leg out of that guy. Or owl meal or something. Let's talk to him.
Heave ho!
Oh! Silly! I skipped the dialogue! That's what I get for being a silly. This guy's massive. This guy is giant. He's huge. Look at him. He's bigger than half a tree.
Alright. Is everyone ready? Now, Ravens, get to work.
Aw.
This won't take long. What in blazes? Caw! Finish! Caw! Roger that! You can reach the volcano now. Oh, top notch, really? If we're up here, we can enter the volcano, dear boy. What luck, eh, Maya? I shall delay another moment. The ancient treasure are coming onward. That Koopa, what a maverick. Charging into a volcano? He's bold, I'll give him that. Bold, but I can't finally be nuts. But enough about that. I want to give you an important item I was talking about. Here, take it.
The Ultra Stone! Yes!
That's the Ultra I found a long time ago. This in this jungle. Alright.
So we're just gonna skip all this nonsense? Alright, so what time is it? It's 7 minutes. Alright. I think we got enough time to go ahead and do this real quick. Cool! This is nice. Heal up. Let's see. I guess this is to go back, I guess. So, yeah. Here's the volcano. Oh, this is ominous as freak.
Identified as Mario. Alert, report the boss. Alert.
Oh, wow, that's the best piranha. Let's see, piranha robot sound that you can ever get.
I sense danger here. All Avengers are dangerous, though. So what of it? We must press on toward the glory of the unknown treasure.
Bro, not personal, but you burn your butt.
Yeah! What's wrong with this rock? It sank right into the lava.
Oh, we can move? Okay. So, let me show you how it's done, okay? First of all, you do this, and this. That's how you do it. And you do it again. You wait till this moves forward. And jump! Ah! Of course these bubbles will attack us. Lava bubbles, that is. Let's see. Were water attacks affected? It's just a fact. It'd be totally logic. Oh, it's super effective! Okay, let's just run. Oh! Silly? No one told you to jump in the lava. Let's zip on. Oh, come on, get on. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, there's something here, I think? Or is it down there? Oh, it's here, okay. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Woo! We got it. We're living. Oh, you had to jump 11 times. You can only jump 10 times. Oh. This saves you a lot of time, considering that just in case you want to backtrack here. Now, let me show you what this Ultra Stone can do. This Ultra Stone can help us with our upgrades of our partners. So the upgrade that will probably help us right now will probably be Tidal Wave. Considering that we're going to be dealing with a Lava Piranha. Oh yeah, Sushi has leveled up. Let's go. Let's zip on, zip on. Let's zip on, zip on. Get away from me. Please don't hurt me. I said me twice. That don't even rhyme. Alright guys, so we found a save block, so I think that's a good time for ending off today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to me. I am out here, you know. So yeah guys, so I want to come back to this game. It's been about a week ago since I done Paper Mario the Thousand Year Door and Paper Mario 64. So it's been a while since I've done both of them, so yeah. And it's been quite a long time since I've done Pokemon Battle Revolution, so that game should be coming up pretty soon. So hopefully I have time to do it. So yeah. I just basically got to play the levels again. Considering that I messed up the first recording session, now I gotta make it up by going back to the game and starting over. So yeah. So anyways,
thank you guys for watching. It's Chris Gamer signing out and right in your ear.
I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. So in case, me bro out here.